Good day everyone. For today's video, let's tackle about addition and subtraction of polynomial. One. So, ang ating tinalakay kahapon ay evaluating of a polynomial. So, ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-addition and subtraction of polynomial. So, addition and subtraction, we can only add or subtract if they have the same degree or exponential and variable. So, let's try this example. Kailangan lang natin kunin tong close parenthesis. 3x raised to 5 minus 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 4. So, addition man si. So, addition. So, if this is addition, yung plus. Positive plus positive, positive times positive equals positive 2x raised to 5. So, positive times positive equals positive 4x cubed. Positive times negative equals negative 3 squared plus 10. So, we can combine like terms. So, 3x raised to 5 ang ka same niya ay 2x raised to 5. It means 3x raised to 5 plus 2x raised to 5 equals 5x raised to 5. Okay? Then, ang katulad din niya is 2x cubed plus 4x cubed equals positive 2 cubed. Then, 5x squared plus negative 3x squared equals positive 2. Ay, cube pala to dito. Sorry. So, dito ay positive 2x squared. So, 4 plus 10 equals positive 14. Yan yung answer natin. Tindihan nyo? Sorry po sa kanina. So, another example. So, same addition. So, since our operation is addition, we can just copy. 17 18x raised to 4 minus 9x cubed plus 2x squared plus x plus 3. So addition, so since our is this addition is add lang, add plus positive times positive equals positive 7 raised to 4. Positive times negative equals negative 3 squared plus 5x minus 9. So now, we have to combine like terms. So, ang katulad nito ay 17 raised to 4. Ang katulad niya po ay 7x raised to 4. So, i-add lang natin. 17 raised to 4 plus 7 raised to 4 equals 24x power of 4 raised to 4 pala, excuse me, since ito hahanapin natin yung kapareho niya, negative 9x cubed. So wala man siyang kapareho, so i-copy lang na natin. X cube. So hanapin naman natin tong kapareho niya. 2x squared. So to negative 3x squared. 2x squared plus negative x squared equals negative x squared. Naman x plus positive 5x equals positive 6x. So bring down 9 negative, di pala. sorry andito pa pala yung variable na. Positive 3 plus negative 9 equals negative 6. Ito na yung combined like terms natin. Okay, next proceed to the subtraction. Let's try this example of subtraction. So we can subtract from this to this. 5y negative 12 y squared from 8 minus negative y, negative 3y, so minus 2y squared. We arrange this. 8 minus 3y minus 2y squared close parenthesis minus 5y negative 12y squared. Okay, now so since this is subtraction, in subtraction it is very important to write the parent to write our parentheses. Unlike in addition. So do not forget your parentheses. Okay? Now we can remove the close parentheses. A if 3y is 2y squared and distribute the negative sign. Negative times positive equals negative 5y. Negative times positive, negative times negative equals positive 12y squared. Sorry, squared. Squared. Now, we can combine, let's combine like terms. Since our variable is y raised to 2, negative 2 plus positive 12 equals positive 10y squared. Now, let's this. Okay? Negative 3y plus negative 5y equals negative 8y. Now, let's copy this. Positive 8. Now, this is our final answer. Final answer is always arrange from descending order, so the highest exponent must written in left most. Then y squared, part of our expression. So you have any question or verification, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching.